Hi my foodie friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Life Vlog. Today I'm going to make a very delicious and super yummy breakfast recipe, which is pancakes with a different twist, and that is eggless Nutella pancakes. So let's get started and see the recipe. So first we need 2 cups of milk in the bowl. The milk should be the room temperature, and to this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. And now I'm gonna give a good mix and let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. So the important thing, if you don't have the white vinegar, you could use the lemon juice if you want. Now take a separate bowl. So in this one, you need to add 2 cups of whole wheat flour. I'm making these pancakes with the atta or wheat flour, but you can use all-purpose flour. Now to this I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sugar and also 1 teaspoon of baking powder to it, and ½ teaspoon of baking soda. Now give a good mix using a spatula. Now add vegetable oil. You could also use same quantity of melted butter. So I'm using 1/4 cup of it. Now add vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon. And here I'm going to add 1/4 cup of hot water and give a little mix. Now add milk and vinegar mixture that we have set aside earlier, and it's now it's better. You can add now because it looks like a buttermilk now. And now give a good mix, very good mix. Make sure there would be no lumps in it. So you have to give a good mixing, Hi friends, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon button for further notifications so that you can get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. So I have this pan, and I'm not sure what you call for this pan, but this is I call for appe pan. So I use this pan for many recipes. So now today I'm going to make in this different, the Nutella pancakes, mini pancakes in a different style. So before using it, you have to grease it completely, really well. And I pour my batter into this small jar. So now I'm gonna pour the batter into all the holes in it in this pan, slowly. I'm just filling it halfway so that I have a space for Nutella and more butter that I'm going to add in later. As soon as the first layer of the pancake batter is done, so this is the time I'm gonna start filling it with Nutella. I heated my Nutella in the microwave for a few seconds, so you can say like 30 seconds is enough. And then transfer it into either you can do in a piping bag, or I just transfer it in this bowl actually. For this task I'm using a spoon, so if you want you can use a piping bag, but I feel it's easy for me. It's, quickly transfer it in the center, it's easy for me. One more thing I want to mention, that if you want to use more Nutella, you can use it, because obviously it's a Nutella and it's gonna taste awesome. I really like it. So yeah, just fill it quickly. Now pipe more batter on the top so that all that Nutella gets covered. Now I'm gonna cook these pancakes for a couple of minutes before I flip them and cook them on the other side again for a couple of more minutes. Now flip them on the other side and cook again for a couple of more minutes. The pancake bombs are completely cooked from both the sides. Now take them out in a serving plate. Also, if you want, you can little bit of drizzle of icing sugar on the top of these pancakes if you feel like to incomplete or you want more texture out of it. You can obviously drizzle some icing sugar on it. Eggless pancake bombs are ready and they are looking super delicious and tasty. Friends, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, like the video and press the bell icon button for further notifications. It's me, Nancy Verma. See you next time with new video. Bye bye.